enzani lapha eSouth Africa? Enzani uzero yinkinga? Ngizolapho okusha kuvuka okudala, lapho okudala kuvuka okusha sindawo. Uzokhumbula ke ukuthi ke ngane yakwethu last time ngakhuluma ngokuthi kungani labantu abakwi poverty as per explanation ke economics less than $3 per person per day, or they are spiritually displaced. Why bengayithandi? Why bethanda ukulwa? Why bethanda ucansi nokuzala? Why bengenandaba nepurpose, self love bengenayo nokuthanda abanye, bephambane nenhlanhla? All of those things I explained, which because their energy is down in these 3 centers, and these 3 centers are only concerned about survival. So this is the energy consumption. This is not an energy expansion. So there are things that are keeping your energy down there, and those things are reinforced time to time, intentionally. Ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasha uthi ngenzayo noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani, ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ucabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya, ungatatazeli, uyabona. Ake siqale nje ngo-survival. Kwenzakalani uma ngabe usuke survival? Uma usuke survival, usuke soku-activate-ke i-sympathetic nervous system kuwena. Yabona nje lento it just has to do with fear, because the primary function of your brain is for you to survive. So if there is something that is threatening your survival, then it means your sympathetic nervous system has to kick in. The primary brain has to kick in, and then this one, actually human brain, the reasoning brain, the neocortex, will shut down. You don't reason if you are in a survival mode, if you are in a sympathetic nervous system, and then you don't have love, you don't enjoy, because once you are in the survival mode, the brain, the blood will flow, will move from your brain down to your muscles that will help you to fight or flee. So the blood will flow through to your muscles. Yabo. So ngaleso sikhathi ke la soku empty. That is why umuntu okwi survival ungamtshela noma yini